This is day 3 of DSEI 2015, and today we're focusing on the naval side as we had the chance to tour Belgian Navy patrol vessel Castor.
Castor is one of the 2 new coastal patrol vessels of the Belgian Navy. She was finished 1 year ago and she was built in France, in Boulogne. She has a sister ship which is ready to join us since 1 month. Castor has 2 types of missions. First of all, we have our national defense missions, standard missions. We escort foreign Navy, non-NATO ships who are passing through our water. For example, we are the transport ship, the taxi for our EOD team in case of a fishing ship finds a mine or a bomb, etc. We do nav training for a navigation school, and then the other group of tasks are more coast guard duties, which could be being the on-scene commander platform, so the coordination platform in case of a major incident at sea.
Well, the Castor is a patrol ship and we need, of course, a weapon. So we have only 12 or 15 crew members, we took an armament who is very easy and small. Therefore, we chosen the Sea Defender from the Herstal factories. It's very easy to be used, it's clean, it's small, and the monitoring is happening on the bridge of the ship, so that's very good for us.
Besides the Castor, several visiting vessels are docked at this year's DSEI 2015, including HMS Iron Duke, a Type 23 frigate of the Royal Navy, HMS Stein, a River-class offshore patrol vessel of the Royal Navy, the Ludwigshafen, a K-130 class corvette of the German Navy. As you can see, K-130 class corvettes of the German Navy are fitted at the bow with a 76mm main gun, a RAM short-range missile launcher, as well as a Rheinmetall mass decoy launcher. INS Trikand, a TEG-class guided missile frigate of the Indian Navy. Also present at DSEI this year is the Winnipeg, an Halifax-class frigate of the Royal Canadian Navy. Halifax-class frigates are currently being upgraded with a number of modern systems, such as the SmartS Mk2 radar and the Sirius electro-optic systems, both from Thales, as you can see here on the Winnipeg. French company SeaOwl is also showcasing the Partisan. It is a commercially operated naval training vessel in use with the French Navy.
Well, the SeaOwl Group is a company specialized in providing bespoke solutions to the French Navy and other European navies. And the genesis of our solution came from a request from the French Navy to basically save in operational fleet capacity. And they promoted a contract to outsource the Navy training support services. So basically we provide the tools for them to perform a number of training exercises.
11 small vessels and RHIBs participate in a DSEI waterborne demonstration in the Royal Victoria Dock. Including the Zodiac Milpro Searib 750, and the Seahaven Barracuda stealth interceptor. There's a prominent naval zone at this year's DSEI. White Glacier is showcasing and demonstrating its Arctic 25 hypothermia protective suit in a tank full of ice.
I am here with the model of the Mark 45 Mod 4 gun, which was recently selected for the Type 26 Global Combat Ship. What's really exciting about the selection of the Mark 45 Mod 4 is it is in service with 11 other navies in the world, including the U.S. Navy. The Royal Navy will have great interoperability with those navies. 165 platforms in the world have the Mark 45. Additionally, the Royal Navy has selected to include an automated ammunition handling system. Not shown here in the model, under development right now, but we'll have a fully automated magazine with 196 rounds, with a sustained firing rate with 0 manning, and provide full automation to the Royal Navy to meet their manning on their ship as I believe 118, somewhere between 118 and 121 sailors and officers on board.
So one of the specific things on this boat is the tube shape. This is what we call the hybrid tube. The hybrid tube is a patented tube from Zodiac Milpro, and he has a D shape at the back of the tube, at the back of the boat, which allows a lot of space for the crew, and you have a classical shape at the front of the boat to give better smoothness during boarding missions and boarding operations. So this boat can do a variety of different missions, starting from boarding to troop deployment to assault, variety of missions.